Let's look at another interesting question. Here you're given a statement. Events that are mutually exclusive must be independent. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? So let us try and examine this statement using an example. Here we are given two events, A and B. We are told that A and B are mutually exclusive events. Probability of A is equals to 0.60 and probability of B is equal to 0.30. We are asked, what is the probability of A and B? Now, if two events are mutually exclusive, it means they do not have any intersection. Hence, probability of A and B occurring is equal to 0. Now, the second question is, what is the probability of A occurring given that B has occurred? In order to solve this, we are going to apply our conditional probability formula. So according to the conditional probability formula, the probability of A occurring given that B has occurred is equals to probability of A and B divided by probability of B. In this case, because events A and B are mutually exclusive, we concluded that probability of A and B occurring is equals to 0. So for this example, when you use this formula, probability of A and B is equals to 0 divided by probability of B, which is 0.30. So the result is 0. These two events, A and B, are mutually exclusive, but are they independent? So let's test using probability. Two events, A and B, are independent if probability of A occurring given that B has occurred is equals to probability of A. Looking at our example, probability of A occurring given that B has occurred is equals to 0, whereas the probability of A is equals to 0.60. Therefore, this statement does not hold true. Let's test the second statement. Probability of B occurring given that A has occurred should be equal to probability of B. Looking at our example, probability of B occurring given that A has occurred is equals to probability of A and B occurring divided by probability of A. The answer is still going to be 0. Hence, our events A and B are not independent. Thus, this statement that states events that are mutually exclusive must be independent is false. Mutually exclusive events are dependent events.